Okay, so I am trying to create what here looks like um, a card holder, a business card holder. So I've got kind of a sliding slot on the back to hold the cards up. I've got a little fence on the front. I've got my name and text sort of as relief on the front of the card holder. I've got to incorporate some holes. And then I'm also going to work on the thickness of the different shapes and align it all um, so it works properly. Okay, so now I've incorporated the text. I tried to put a hole in there, but I don't know if it worked or not. I've also noticed that some of these edges are not quite lined up, so it might come out goofy when I go to print it. But anyway, yeah, there you can see the hole, and that's kind of goofy. I didn't know how I did that. So I might try to work on this later. But again, just to see if I can make a business card holder. That's the basic idea.